Hey guys, we're back, and I'm gonna start adding some more to this. I would assume you've watched the other tutorial, or at least know basic HTML from here. I mean, very basic, because I didn't get to go over much. Time went a lot faster than I thought. Okay, anyway. Now, to actually put information on the page, you would just very simply, okay, I want to go down some more. BR. And I want to center this to, now I'll keep it left, yeah. You can put P. There you go, very simple, and then you put the, whatever you want to say inside of it. I don't know why people always do this, but every tutorial I've ever watched, because I learned this from watching other tutorials, and reading articles online, they always do hello world. Why? I don't know, and I'm making a very good example by doing it myself, aren't I? Save. Fresh. And there you go. We could change the font size or color of this too, by the way. You can do this with anything. Actually, I don't know if you can change the size of a header, because it's the whole point of making it a header, but I know you can change the color of anything and the size of most of them. You would do the font tag, and then as an attribute inside, size equals, I think you can go from 1 to 10, 7, 1 to 7. Yeah. Size equals, I don't know, let's go 4. Yeah, okay. And then another attribute inside it would be color, and that equals, let's make it white. I like having white text on other separate colored background. It looks cool. So I would just end the tag right there, and you don't, actually, yeah, you do. You have to end the font tag. And I realized I got rid of the body tag by highlighting it and backspacing. Okay. And then save this, go back here, fresh. And you can see it's slightly bigger, and now it's like white. And actually, I guess I am going to center this. So it looks a lot better centered. Let's go back here. And text. And there you go. I mean, we're still very much into the basics here, but hopefully you get the idea of the text. Now, what else should I go over? Let's go with tables. Tables are kind of confusing at first. Table, and then an attribute inside it would be border. Okay, what the heck just happened? Oh, okay, there we go, I just set it up. Border equals, personally for my header, I like a nice bold border, so I'm gonna go with, I think you can go 1 to 10 on this, so I'm gonna go 7. Notice, by the way, for everything, gray, 7, all the specific colors or sizes or anything like that inside the attributes, I put in quotations. You don't have to do that with most of it, but there are some things that you have to do it with, and I don't completely have them separated for what you do and what you don't. So it's probably best just to get in the habit to do it for everything, because it can never mess it up by putting quotations. Not in HTML anyway. PHP is a different story, but I don't think I'm going to get into that, because I still kind of learned that for myself. Okay, anyway. TR, and then TD. TD is table data. I can't remember what TR actually stands for, but that would basically be the row. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'll show you it later. And then I gotta end the table, otherwise it just doesn't work and it screws up. So anyway, and since TD was the last one we did, we want to end that one first. TD, and then TR, and then table. TR always goes after table, like up here, and then TD follows TR. TD is table. I told you I can't remember what TR is. God, that's gonna annoy me. But let's do that, and that should work. Yeah, you can kind of see now it's in like this separate, almost kind of like a separate window type thing. Now, one thing I noticed that I don't really like about that necessarily is the fact that it does a gray outline on my gray background. So I'm going to change my background color. Let's go with dark blue. I don't know if I can do that as one word or two. But no, I don't want to open it. Save. Okay, apparently there is no space. Because apparently dark blue is red. This computer's on crack. Not as dark as I wanted and kind of blinding, but hopefully I'll get further as to where it looks decent. But anyway, you get the idea. It almost kind of looks like a shine on the table there. Kind of hard to explain until you do it yourself. But it looks cool. You can also put an image for the table, but I'm not going to be doing that. Wow, that is really dark. It's almost hurting my eyes. Okay, anyway. I could change the size of the table too. I believe you put just very simply width equals let's go 100. I think it goes by pixels if I'm right. You'll get the hang of it once you start doing it. Height equals I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to adjust this once I figure it out, but I don't really have to size this down right now. Wow, that was fail. $1,000. Dang. You can see, you just kind of toy around with it, and yeah, you'll figure it out. I personally don't want a size, because if you don't put a size, then it'll just make it as small as it can while fitting all of whatever you've written inside it. If that makes sense, it should. But pretty much that's your table. Oh yeah, I want to go over TR. Okay. Say I put that there. And then, after all that, I added another TR. And then TD. And then I'm just going to do it again. So, copy that. Paste that. And actually, before I do that, I think I have to NTR and then TD. What? Okay, let's see if that works. Save. Yeah, you can kind of see it makes a completely separate kind of a divider between them. Whoa. I can't highlight that. Yeah, I can't. But hopefully you get the idea. If you were to put an image in for the table, by the way, it would make like kind of a over. It's kind of really hard to explain. Yeah, I can't really explain that. Just kind of messing around with it. You'll figure more and more out and understand more and more as you go. Yeah, I got into tables on this. My third and will probably be my last HTML tutorial. I'm probably going to be going over some basic forms and basic JavaScript, which isn't really HTML, but anyway, you get the idea. If I don't get to it, then I'll make that a complete fourth part and just name it like JavaScript or something. But hope you enjoyed it. Watch the next one or don't or something. Yeah.